spicy pepper.
Spicy pepper? Are you gonna eat that? No. What is our video for today?
Spicy pepper.
The spicy pepper challenge.
Pepper.
Okay.
Alright.
Hold it.
She just did a chocolate bhutlah and a jalapeno popper. I don't know which one is which here. So
I can tell already.
this one looks green, that looks green, and that one looks very big. It's this one right here.
Try the jalapeno first.
Here's jalapeno.
It smells good.
Jalapeno popper.
No. I was that one.
You want to
Let's
smell?
smell it.
It's spicy, Jaron.
I feel it's spicy.
Alright. Yeah, you want this one, Jaron?
Yeah.
I'm actually scared. Is it gonna kill me?
Eat it. Eat it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't know why. Every time. This cat.
Why did you drink that? I gave it to Daddy.
I keep copying that copying cat.
Spicy pa more, babe.
It isn't bad.
Spicy pa more. Now you really ate a ghost pepper.
I've been eating one. What are you talking about?
More than a ghost pepper.
Like more.
Why do you gotta be up in my face though?
I want to see if you can puke.
I'm not
What is
going to puke.
here?
So, how was it?
It was actually good. Just gotta get my hiccups under control.
Look at it. Look at it again. Oh, I can look.
Alright.
I can eat your pieces. Now you can pass this. You can pick this.
It's still lingering.
Okay, that's all for today. That's the chocolate bhutlah. Chocolate bhutlah. Dun, 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 dun. Chocolate bhutlah.
About this.
And chocolate bhutlah. Where are you? Where are you? You're there. Da, da, da. Chocolate bhutlah.